দর্শক আমাদের সাথে আছেন আজকে নিউজিল্যান্ড এ দলের হয়ে সর্বোচ্চ ইনিংস খেলা মিছে সরাসরি কথা বলতে চাই তার সাথে। মিচ, how difficult it was to bat in the 22 years?
Yeah, it was initially quite tough, just with the score sort of being under a little bit of pressure, a few wickets down. But I think it got easier as me and Dean formed a partnership, so that was good, and we worked well together. So hopefully tomorrow me and Christian can build another partnership.
101 for 6. You guys lost 6 wickets within 100 runs, and after that it was a 98-run partnership. How crucial was that?
Yeah, really crucial. I think looking at it now, 226. Then if we can, get as many as we can in the first innings, it's only going to help us later on in the game.
How difficult it is for you to adjust in this type of conditions, in this type of pitch?
Yeah, the pitch is a little bit different to what we're used to back home. Obviously a little bit warmer, a little bit more humid. Today we're probably quite lucky with temperature not getting too high, but that didn't make it. It was still difficult, just being a little bit warmer than back home.
Do you think the toss was really crucial because there was overhead condition in the first hour?
Yeah, obviously would have been a good toss to win with the moisture around and the overhead conditions, like you say. But obviously it's 50-50, so we knew that it's going to be tough early with the seamers, and it's not unusual to what we used to back home. So obviously would have been good to get the seamers a go on that first up, but yeah, can't control.
So what's your plan for tomorrow? What are the targets you are setting from now on?
Yeah, I guess we'll just try to get as many as we can. Hopefully me and Christian can build a nice partnership tomorrow morning, and then we just keep building from there and just get as many as we can.
Thank you for joining T Sports. দর্শক আমাদের সাথে ছিলেন মিছে এবং বলছিলেন যে আজকে সকালে ব্যাটিং করাটা ডিফিকাল্ট ছিল, তারপর যেহেতু তাদের একটা লম্বা ব্যাটিং অর্ডার আছে সে কারণেই তাদের আত্মবিশ্বাসটা ছিল যে হ্যাঁ 250-র কাছাকাছি রান যদি তারা করতে পারে সেক্ষেত্রে এই ম্যাচে ফাইট করা সম্ভব, এবং সেই টার্গেটেই আগামীকাল সকালে মাঠে নামবেন মিছেরা। নাবিল কায়সার, T Sports.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.